You are watching a tutorial on the Excel Vlookup function. Vlookup stands for vertical lookup, and this is the function used in Excel to find and retrieve specific information stored in a table. It works like referring to a telephone directory. If you wanted to find someone's phone number, you look up their name and find their number on the same line. Similarly, companies have large amounts of data, and as long as the information is stored vertically, the Vlookup function can be used to retrieve the information instantaneously. In this Excel spreadsheet, 6 engineering parts are listed in a table by name together with the price of each part. This table is known as a table array, and Vlookup searches this array to find the information required. We can enter a part name anywhere in the spreadsheet, and in this example we'll type bolt in A2. We now require Excel to find bolt in the first column of the table, extract its price from the second column and display this amount, $1.54, in B2 beside the chosen part name. We will now make use of the Vlookup function to perform this operation. We click the cell where we want the price to appear, which is B2. We next click on the Formulas tab and Insert Function, which opens the Insert Function dialog box. Under Search for a function, we can type Vlookup and click on Go. A choice of functions is displayed, highlighting Vlookup, so we click on OK to accept this choice. The Function Arguments dialog box now appears, into which we will enter 4 pieces of information. First, we select the lookup value by clicking on the cell into which we entered our chosen part name, bolt. And A2 appears in the lookup value in the dialog box. Next, we enter the coordinates of our table as the table array. We do this by clicking on D5, the top left of our table, and dragging the cursor to include E10. The range D5 to E10 appears as our chosen array and tells Excel to search in this range for our data. Now we enter the column index number, which is 2, because the data we want to extract is in column 2 of the table. Notice we do not enter the Excel column letter, which is E. Finally, we enter the logical function, true or false, to inform Excel whether the data is a range of values or not. In our example, the data is not a range of values but a set of individual items, and so we enter false. And now we click on OK to record this function in cell E2, and it is shown in the formula bar of this cell. The correct price for our chosen part is $1.54, and it is shown against the name bolt. If we type another part, such as washer, and click on enter, its price of $1.43 appears against its name. We can use Vlookup function to construct a commercial document, such as a quotation for a customer, listing the engineering parts required with the correct prices automatically shown against each item. Thank you for listening.